In a tranquil pond scene, a craftsman's touch unveils hidden treasures inside an oyster, symbolizing ancient tradition and natural marvel. A dedicated woman enters the lush pond, her hands ready to harvest oysters, embodying the enduring legacy of tradition gracefully. On a weathered rock, she extracts shimmering pearls with refined precision, epitomizing timeless tradition in pearl harvesting with gentle care. Close-up details reveal careful hands inspecting oyster shells, ensuring quality at every step of this meticulous traditional pearl extraction process. A skilled hand opens a shell, releasing multiple golden pearls, a celebrated moment in the art of nature's bounty truly. Hands skillfully extract large orange pearls on moss, reflecting both strength and delicate care in traditional techniques with enduring passion. On a tranquil rock, a woman opens oysters, extracting vivid orange pearls that illuminate centuries-old practices of cultural heritage profoundly. With calm diligence, she sorts yellow and orange pearls from scattered shells, embodying a rhythm of nature and heritage gracefully. Attentively, she extracts yellow pearls amid focused close-ups and serene wide shots, celebrating nature's patient artistry with heartfelt appreciation truly. Extreme close-ups capture a precise extraction of yellow pearls by skilled hands, blending art and tradition seamlessly with devoted care. Seated in nature's embrace, she opens oysters with precision, retrieving golden pearls that narrate a legacy of enduring tradition vividly. Detailed extreme close-ups reveal diligent hands as they extract golden pearls, epitomizing the heartfelt artistry of traditional practices with care. Calmly seated on a rocky outcrop, she alternates between close-ups and medium views while opening oysters to harvest treasured pearls. In a lush, vibrant pond, she extracts golden pearls with careful hands, each moment echoing cultural heritage and nature's grace. Extreme close-ups emphasize delicate hands probing oyster shells, a testament to precise traditional techniques treasured across generations with quiet reverence. Focused extreme close-up reveals hands extracting multiple large golden pearls, a dynamic display of skill and deep-rooted tradition with passion. A tender close-up captures hands delicately removing golden pearls from a shell resting on moss, reflecting nature's gentle allure profoundly. A devoted artisan uses a knife to open oysters, extracting radiant pearls before resting beside shimmering waters, honoring ancient traditions. Serenely, one presents nature's reward, a bountiful plate of oysters and a shell brimming with golden treasures in heartfelt celebration. A triumphant moment unfolds as a hand presents an overflowing oyster shell, rich with golden and reddish pearls, celebrating success. In awe-inspiring finale, a close-up reveals a large oyster shell abundant with countless golden and orange pearls, embodying nature's magnificence. In tranquil nature, a forager embarks along riverbanks with purpose. Lush greens whisper secrets, revealing mystery and gentle wonder silently. She wades through shallow rivers with determined, calm steps gracefully. Her basket collects hidden treasures beneath sparkling water and greenery. Beneath dense vegetation, she ventures into nature's secret corridors mysteriously. Collecting clamshells, her basket fills with natural artistry vividly. Her sports shirt glints as she carefully gathers clam treasures. Under overhanging branches, nature and skill intertwine gracefully with precision. Continuing her foraging journey, she ambles along peaceful riverbanks serenely. Her basket overflows with nature's bountiful and vivid finds amazingly. In a yellow sports shirt, she harvests large freshwater clams. Focused effort meets nature as knife and basket unite harmoniously. She intently opens a clam using a sharp knife methodically. Close-up shots reveal anticipation and nature's quiet marvel with care. Methodically, she opens clams while examining each hidden secret delicately. Her knife and basket capture nature's mystic, fleeting moments beautifully. A close-up moment unveils bright blue pearls inside a clam. Her gentle hands delicately extract treasures with pure excitement effortlessly. Joyful hands gather shining pearls from many open clamshells. Nature's charm unfolds as blue gems dazzle amid discovery magically. Gently, a forager extracts striking blue pearls from clams carefully. Riverbank scenery frames this mesmerizing act of nature with elegance. Kneeling by the river, she holds vivid blue pearls proudly. Her careful harvesting captures nature's rare and enchanting lore truly. Admiring a large, exquisite blue pearl, she pauses in awe. Moments of quiet reflection merge with natural magnificence instantly profoundly. In a close-view shot, she displays luminous blue treasures proudly. The vibrant pearls echo the beauty of river nature remarkably. Diligently, she arranges shining blue pearls upon a shell tray. Each pearl reflects nature's artistry and gentle hidden marvels incredibly. On a muddy bank, a person opens a clam carefully. Multiple shiny pearls emerge, celebrating nature's hands-on mastery with elegance. Wearing yellow, she collects blue pearls with careful precision gracefully. Her method is artistic, echoing natural rhythms and beauty profoundly. Close-up captures skilled hands as they reveal hidden blue wonders. Every movement inspires awe and embraces nature's vivid secrets tenderly. Hands carefully gather and display a myriad of blue pearls. This vivid harvest encapsulates nature's promise and gentle reward truly. Proudly, she presents a clamshell overflowing with blue treasures. The sparkling pearls narrate nature's success and persistent elegance boldly. In a close-up shot, hands hold a clamshell filled. Numerous vivid blue pearls exemplify nature's abundant, magical artistry profoundly.